Hi friends, I'm Dr. Vinayak Pagedar. I've been teaching direct taxes for the last 25 years. Now, in case you are facing difficulty in the subject, you studied but you can't remember, you face failure in the exam, you study very hard, the revision becomes difficult, then to solve all these problems, you can join me for the crash course at Lakshya. We will be covering all the institute's questions, that is the study material, the RTPs as well as past exam questions, and I'll be giving you conceptual clarity as well as memory methods by which you can break down complex provisions into simple formats. So I'm looking forward to meeting you at Lakshya Kochi for the CA final crash from March 1st to March 6th for our adventure in direct taxes. Let's do it together.